Hello and welcome students. Welcome to our another English class. Here you can see we have taken out our English workbook. What we are going to learn in English today, let's see. Open page number 73. Here you can say on the page number 73 that says circle and color, cold and thin. The pictures that are cold and thin, you are going to only circle those pictures that says cold and thin. You already have learned in the previous classes the opposites, that what are the opposites of hot and what are the opposite of thin or either thick or cold. Once again, let's have a quick review on the opposites. That says, what is the opposite of hot? It is cold. The opposite of hot is cold. The next is thin. The opposite of thin is thick. So, now take pencil in your hand and first they are saying to circle the cold and the thin pictures. Here you can see the ice cream is always cold. Take pencil in your hand and circle the picture of ice cream that says it is cold. Our next picture that we have to circle is thin. We have to circle the thin book. After this, we are going to color the pictures of cold and thin. Here you can see there is a picture of an ice cream and you are going to color the picture of an ice cream with brown color in the cone. After coloring the cone, you are now going to color the upper part of the ice cream with your favorite color or with your favorite flavor. I am having a pink of strawberry flavor. You can color whichever you like. After coloring this picture, now it's time to color the picture of thin book that says the thin book. Here I am having a blue color to color my book. You are always going to color the book cover page only, no need to color the pages. In this way you are going to color your book with your favorite color. So here you can quick check your work that says what you have done. You have done the circle in the cold picture and circle in the thin picture. After doing the page number 73, now come on page number 76. In the previous class, we have already learned about the sound S. Here now we are going to write the sound S either with the pencil or with your colors. This page says to trace the sound S. I am going to take the orange color first in my hand and start doing tracing. And you all know what the formation of S is like a snake. Every time you write the sound S, you are going to repeat the formation that S is like a snake. After this, you are now going to trace another S and repeat with me, S is like a snake. After tracing the two S, now it's time to trace the third sound that is S. I am going to take the blue color in my hand and start doing tracing, and I will say S is like a snake. After this, again you are going to trace one more time the sound s. This time I am having pink color in my hand. I am going to trace sound s. S is like a snake. So students, hope you have thoroughly learned about the sound s. S is like a snake. S is like a snake. Hope you will do this work with very fine and will check when you are going to come to school. Till then, Allah Hafiz.